Which organism is arranged as a cubical packets of 8 cocci? Sarcina. So you have diplococci like Streptococcus pneumoniae. Very good. And you have Streptococcus pyogenes. Then Bacillus anthracis is a chain of bacilli. Comma shaped is the Vibrios. Spiral shaped is Helicobacter pylori. And Salmonella typhi is a example of a flagellate rod, is what you need to remember. Then the spore forming is Clostridium botulinum. And once more, a spiral shaped is Spirochete, Treponema pallidum. Sarcina is what examiner is asking. Cubical packets of 8 cocci. Staphylococci are like a grapes, a bunch of grapes. So these are few things that you need to be very sure about. Now doctor, when we talk gram positive, gram negative organisms, you should remember there is a plasma membrane, periplasmic space and a peptidoglycan. That is gram positive. You have a plasma membrane, periplasmic space, peptidoglycan. Along with that, there is an outer membrane. This one is there now, sabse bahar, outer membrane. So this outer membrane, lipopolysaccharide and protein jo hota hai, that is speciality of the gram negative is what you should remember. So gram positive versus gram negative, one of the favorite questions of the examiner. Basically, there is an innermost plasma membrane in both of them. There is a thick peptidoglycan cell wall in gram positive, but a very thin peptidoglycan cell wall in gram negative. There is an outer capsule in gram positive, and in this case, there is the outer capsule also in gram negative. Gram positive can be treated easily with antibiotics. It stains purple or violet after the gram stain. Whereas it is harder to treat with antibiotics, gram negative. It stains red or pink after the gram stain is what you should remember. Once more doctor, this is the fundamental part of the story you should be sure about. Gram positive versus gram negative. Gram positive may, a very unique thing that you need to know is the teichoic acid. Lipoteichoic acid is the one which you need to remember, which is responsible for a lot of gram positive properties of the gram positive organism. Why does it retain? Why does it retain? The color is identified by the presence of teichoic acid. Whereas gram negative produce endotoxic shock and everything. Lipopolysaccharide and a surface protein are the ones which are unique for the gram negative organisms